Hello guys, you're all welcome back. I am Olusola and in this particular video I want to show you how to connect um your Instagram account to your Facebook page. How to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. So you open your Instagram profile account like this. So what you want to do is you click on edit profile. Then it's actually a very simple and straightforward process. Then you scroll down, you click on, and one thing, make sure the Instagram account you are connecting with a particular Facebook page has been switched to a professional account, professional Instagram account, because the ordinary Instagram account is just like your ordinary Facebook profile account. Then the professional Instagram account is like your Facebook page. The professional Instagram account is the business aspects of the Instagram platform. So make sure your Instagram account has been switched to the professional Instagram account. So in fact, if you are trying to do this using the personal Instagram account, you won't get all these options. The option like page, to connect a page. So make sure you've migrated that particular Instagram account to the professional Instagram, to be a professional Instagram account. So you open the edit profile like I said earlier, then you scroll down. Once you get to this particular side of the screen, which is the page, you click on it. Then in my own case, this particular profile has been connected to a Facebook page, but in your own situation you might have something like connect a page, then just follow prompts. It's going to open up, I'm very sure it's going to open up a page telling you to sign in your Facebook account. And once you are able to sign in that your Facebook account, it's going to automatically load all the pages you have created with that account. So if you have more than one page, then you'd have to select a particular page you want to connect to this particular Instagram account. But if you have one page, then I want to believe that is the page you want to connect this your Instagram account with. So you just select the page, then it might pop up some other form of verification just to be sure that you are actually the owner of the Instagram account and the Facebook page you are connecting. So just follow prompts, and within few seconds your Instagram accounts and your Facebook page would be connected. And whatever it is, you can even turn on some options like posts post sharing. So whenever you post on your Instagram, it will automatically share that same post on your Facebook page. So you don't have to post on your Instagram account and go back to your Facebook page to share that same post or to repost that same post. So you can actually post on Facebook from your Instagram account if you have both connected together. So that is just the simple step to connecting your Instagram account to your Facebook page. So guys, with that, I'll be coming to the end of this particular video. I remain Olusola Daniel, and make sure you're always having a great time.